English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Best wishes, decide, practice. Best wishes. Best wishes is a phrase. A2 learners usually know best wishes. Best wishes is usually something that you write at the end of a letter. Here are some examples. With best wishes, Jan. Best wishes is a polite way of ending a letter. By the way, she sent you her best wishes. Decide. Decide is a verb. A2 learners usually know decide. At A2, to decide is to choose between two or more options. Here are some examples. They have to decide by Wednesday. He can't decide whether to buy the red one or the blue one. We decided to go to the cinema rather than the theatre. Practice. Practice is a noun. A2 learners usually know practice. At A2, a practice happens when an activity is done again so that it is better the next time. Here are some examples. They need quite a bit more practice before the concert. You can pay your subs after the choir practice. Is the basketball practice on Monday or Tuesday evening? In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with best wishes, decide and practice. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.